The global AI workforce transformation has begun. Germany, Denmark, and Singapore are setting the pace. The United States is no longer the automatic leader. This is not just a trend, it's a redistribution of cognitive capital. Retail media and automotive have emerged as AI-first industries. The lesson: if your sector isn't investing in intelligent systems yet, you're already behind. AI is no longer a niche, it's infrastructure. The roles gaining traction are highly specialized. AI software engineers, AI product managers. Generalists are giving way to deep skill verticals. Teams must reorganize around capability, not titles. Python isn't just a programming language. It's becoming the lingua franca of intelligent business systems. Organizations that can't speak it or build on it will struggle to translate insight into action. As a leader, your job is no longer just to manage people. It's to orchestrate intelligence. That means understanding your systems, your data, and your algorithms, not just your KPIs. This is not automation. This is augmentation at planetary scale. The winners of 2025 are not those who adopt AI. It's those who redesign their entire strategy around it.